So we are gonna start by using this no pore problem primer. I got this in my BOXYCHARM box, like I believe 2 months ago. I'm not sure which box it came in, but yeah, this primer, I've only used it one time since I've gotten it, and it's not, I kind of like it actually. So it reminds me of the Benefit Pore Fresheners primer. So yeah, kind of does the same thing. We are gonna go in with my favorite foundation from the drugstore. I did a review on this a few months back and I'm still using it. Like, you guys can see how dirty it is. This has to be one of the best foundations in the drugstore, okay? Like, hands down, one of the best foundations. I'm gonna use my foundation brush. I am in the shade 360 Mocha, by the way. Okay, so next we're gonna go straight into the eyes. I was just gonna do my face first, but I think I might have some fallout or leave out or something based on the eye look I want to try to do. So we're gonna try and do the eyes first, guys. And for the eyes today, we're gonna be using this palette I got in my BOXYCHARM box. It's the Per Cosmetics Festival palette. It's literally one of the most beautiful palettes ever. Like, I want to try and do the festival look, hence why I'm using this palette. Like, I want to do a really colorful look. So yeah, let me show you guys inside of the palette first. I asked you guys on my Instagram if you guys wanted to see me do a tutorial with this palette, and so many of you guys said yes. So here I am. Let's see what I come up with and all of that. I'm trying to see like what kind of eye look I can create with this. Like, when you see the palette, it just looks so colorful. So I'm trying to see what kind of look I can truly create with this, guys. This shade right here is called In the Crease. How ironic, we're gonna use it in the crease. So just a bright orange shade. This is the only shade I plan to use outside of the palette I actually want to use. So, but I just needed a bright orange shade, and we're just gonna go in a little bit above the crease actually with this shade. So I didn't expect that pink to be this bright. Like, oh my god. And the look is gonna be pretty dramatic because I'm trying to do a whole festival look. So we're gonna see how this turns out. I'm literally winging it, you guys, so bear with me. I don't even know how this look is gonna end up being. I don't even know how this look is gonna look at the end, like, so just bear with me. I'm gonna grab this brush and just blend all of this out. I'm blending it into that orange shade I did earlier, and just this is giving me a pretty nice mix actually. So next I'm gonna take this purple shade. One thing I'm noticing with this eyeshadow palette, might as well give you guys a review. It has fallout, but it's really pigmented, so there's that. I'm just gonna take the purple, start applying it right at the end, and then bring it into the crease. And then I'm just gonna grab this and drag it out a little bit. Like, not to do a cut crease, but to make it a little bit messy, just because it's a festival look. So the purple actually looks so pretty because it has like hints of blue shimmers in it. I'm gonna go back and use that other brush I used for the that pink, and just go a little bit over the purple again, just to highlight the pink more. This brush right here, I'm just gonna go back into the pink, which is called Wild Child, and just go mix the purple and pink again, just to blend everything together. One thing I could tell you guys, like, the colors in this palette blend so well together. Like, they're pigmented, but when they mix, like, it's just mixing like butter. They're mixing so well. That's everything you want in a palette. Like, it's mixing so well. Anyway, so next we're gonna go into that this area right here that I was telling you guys about earlier. So this palette has, like, it has the mattes, it has shimmers, and then it has this too, like, glitter. I don't know, you gotta see it for yourself. Like, yeah, it has like that pressed glitter inside. So we're gonna grab, I'm not even sure which one I want to grab. I'm gonna swatch both of them and see which one I like best. So this one is 24K Magic, that goldish foilish one. Wow, that looks beautiful. Then the second one is called Fireworks. So, oh, this has to be one of the best. This is like a foil shadow. It's like, y'all see that? Those are beautiful. I don't even know which one I want to put first. So, let me see. They swatch pretty well too. So this is how they swatch. I think the Fireworks will actually look nice with it. Or should I make, if I choose the 24K, it'll stand out more. So let's go with the gold foil one. And I'm just gonna place that, like, I'm having more ideas as I look at the palette. So we're just gonna do this together. So I'm gonna grab, actually, yeah, 24K. We're gonna grab Fireworks, place that on the lid, and then we're gonna grab 24K Magic and place that in the inner corners at the end. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab Fireworks. You guys, that looks so nice. Oh my god, I've always been so hesitant to grab palettes like this. I've always been so hesitant to grab palettes that's like, that has foil in it, because I always feel like the foil is gonna just dry up. Like, let's see. The foils in this palette, I give a 10. Like, they look so nice. Like, hold on, I was not expecting, okay, my eyes are twitching, but I didn't expect it to look so glittery. This looks really nice. Definitely one of the palettes I'll be grabbing from now on. The glitter looks very, very pretty. I actually just decided to go in with this mascara I got from my BOXYCHARM box another month ago. You guys, BOXYCHARM is just full in this tutorial because I've gotten so many BOXYCHARMs that I haven't had the chance to use them all, so I'm like packing them all into this video. Anyway, so I used this It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. So I'm just gonna go in with my concealer from Bare Minerals. This concealer, you guys know I've been living through this in and out of my life lately. This is the only concealer that I've been using, honestly. So I'm just gonna go in with this right under my eyes. And like I said, like, I'm not gonna keep my eye area like sharply clean because it's a festival look. Me, when I think about festival look, I just think about glitter, shimmers everywhere. So it's no point in it being so cleaned up. It just needs to look a little messy but nice and cute, you know. So I'm just gonna go and like I said, I'm just gonna finish up my concealer. Holy crap, my concealer just broke. Did y'all see that? Oh my god. It just completely broke on me, so I'm just gonna pull it down a bit and continue using it like this. This hurts. I really like this concealer. Probably gonna get another one too because I like it. Oh my gosh, I miss doing my makeup, you guys. Like, I really missed doing my makeup. Like, I had so many like life changes going on that I just really haven't settled down yet. But now that I'm starting to feel more settled, I'm starting to feel more like myself and getting back to my old routine. But yeah, blending. So I'm just gonna grab that foundation brush I used for my foundation and just blend my makeup with that. So I'm actually gonna let my under eye part sit for a little bit. Forgot who I saw that from. I think it was Jackie Aina. Probably was Jackie Aina. I don't know. But I'm gonna let it sit just for a few seconds while I blend out the rest of my face. Okay, so I'm gonna just now blend in this part. Like I said, I'm not gonna try and keep the eyeshadow sharp. I'm just gonna do this so it can make like a round effect on it. Just like that. Yeah, it doesn't clean it up, but it just gives it that messy but round effect. So this next product I'm gonna be using is my first time using it, and it's the Fenty Beauty contour stick things in the color Espresso, matchstick in the color Espresso. So you guys, it's still new. Like, I bought it a few months ago and I never had the chance to use it. I stopped using cream contour like almost a year and a half ago, almost 2 years actually. Like, I have not touched cream contour since I discovered that CoverGirl Queen bronzer. Like, it's a problem. Like, I really used to cream contour my life away, but not anymore. Like, anyway, let's get back to cream contouring. I haven't cream contoured in a minute. Like, oh my god. So I'm grabbing this brush I got from, this is also in the BOXYLUXE box somewhere. It's this brush from Luxie. I think this came in my December BOXYLUXE. So BOXYCHARM BOXYLUXE thing. So I'm just gonna use this and just blend up. Actually, the way the brush is set up, just blend down first. Once you use that CoverGirl bronzer, you're really never gonna want to use contour again, like cream contour again, because that bronzer is just dark enough to be a contour and a beautiful bronzer all in one. Like, I like the product actually because it blends in pretty well. Like it's just blending in like butter. It's blending in really easy. So that's one thing, I guess. It's a pro. Okay, so now I'm just gonna set my face. I always use the same powder. Nothing's gonna change here. Just my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm actually just gonna blend the powder into my face, like into my skin, because I don't feel like leaving it there. I don't want that sharp highlighted look. So I'm just gonna grab this bronzer. This is the CoverGirl bronzer I was talking about. This is the only thing I used to use to contour my face. I'm gonna use the bronzer. As you can see, I broke it. So I'm just gonna grab this. It's literally one of your best friends. What I think this bronzer is just continues, which is the saddest thing I've ever heard in my life. Anyway, so I'm just gonna grab this I'm just gonna grab it, bronze up my skin. Literally just use a bronzer to make your skin warm looking. Like, that's it. It warms up everything. So I'm gonna go in with that 24K Magic that I said I was gonna use earlier in my inner corners. Oh my god. Yep. Yo, that is so pretty. Actually, when you join it together with the other shadow, it looks so pretty. So I'm gonna like go up a little bit and meet that other shadow, the fireworks eyeshadow, the foil, the gold foil, and just put some under my eyebrow. And I'm just gonna put a little bit up here, but just like the leftover shimmers, you know, just do a little bit of a cute. I'm gonna use this Artist Couture highlighter in Purple Dream. Oh my god. Okay, so that's why it's called Purple Dream, okay? Because this powder does not look purple, but it comes off as purple. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty gloss. This is the original, like the first one they came out with. I know they came out with more, but I still love my first one, so just gonna get that. My camera's actually about to die, so yeah, I actually think you guys should check out BOXYCHARM. Like, it's amazing. As you guys can see, most of the products I used was from my BOXYCHARM boxes. It's a good subscription, $21 a month, honey, so definitely go for that. Thanks for watching my videos, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. Of course, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Bye guys.